Alright. Week 8 reflection. So what happened Monday, rehearsals with Leanne, and what we did, we focused on towards the ending scene, and we more focused on the mechanical scene at the end. That was the scene that we focused on. And we really did improve that scene. It was more focused on how we as actors can act, but without saying our lines. Because a lot of us don't have lines during the mechanical scene, because it's mostly the mechanicals doing their own thing, okay? So we had to kind of focus on how on earth can we still be acting as well as staying as mechanicals, as well as staying in the mechanical scene. So yeah, that was what we focused on Monday with Leanne. And to be honest, I had kind of had to think to myself as Demetrius, how am I gonna act? I mean, I do have quite a few lines to say in the mechanical scene. However, I need to understand how I can make those lines good. How can I perfect those lines? How can I, how do I put it? How can I make it good? Because I say a lot of random things like "good stuff, Wool" or "well shone." Here comes Pyramus. Here comes Tisby. I say things which are random, but I want to make it so it's quite key. I really do. I want to make it so it's really key, and I'm not really too sure how to do it yet, but we're figuring it out. But the mechanical scene looks so much better than it did before. Like, honestly, Leanne, thank you. Thank you, Leanne. It looks so much better. It's by far going to be one of our strongest scenes now. It looks so, so much better, and I'm really proud of the class for doing that. On Tuesday, I'm pretty sure. No, we didn't. So, and on Tuesday, we had. On Tuesday, we started at 12. And we didn't really do much on Tuesday. We were essentially just told that, look, the show's going to be moved to a different day if we don't lock in. Fair enough. So that's something we had to do. And it's not exactly a pretty look because we all want the show to happen. We really do want the show to happen. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we were not in at all. So yeah, that was what happened in week 8. Mostly it was on Monday with the scene with Leanne, and then on Tuesday was when we were told the show could possibly be cancelled. And that was after a little bit of a run through. We've done a bit of a run through afterwards. It was all right, but it could be a lot better. And in my opinion, the show, I think it could be a lot better, honestly. There's no energy. It's not good. It's really not. But it is what it is, and that's going to be it for week 8 because we were in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're not in at all. So that's going to be from that's week